How to delete Facebook account. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Call up the menu by tapping on the icon in the upper right corner. Expand the Settings and Privacy tab by tapping on it. Select Settings. Go to the Account Center section by tapping on it. In the Account Settings section, tap on the item Personal Details. Next, tap on the item Account Ownership and Control. Here select the Deactivation or Deletion item. Tap on the account you want to delete. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. You can choose deactivating your account is temporary or deleting your account is permanent. Then tap the Continue button. You can choose the reason for deleting your account if you wish. Then tap the Continue button. Review the other options presented before deleting your account, including temporary deactivation, checking your activity log, download your information and photos from Facebook, transferring a copy of your information to another service like Google Docs or Dropbox, and reviewing any apps you're logged into using your Facebook account. If you still want to continue deleting your account, tap the Continue button. To confirm account deletion, you must enter your account password. Then tap the Continue button. As stated on this page, your account will be scheduled for deletion. You can cancel account deletion before the reactivation period has expired. The last step is to tap on the Delete Account button. Thank you for watching.